What's going on YouTube, man? We are back with another video. I just wanted to update you guys that the Air Jordan 5 alternate grapes or purple grapes, whatever you want to call them, will be getting pushed back a day, man. J23 app just sent a notification out to everybody that Foot Locker, East Bay, and I believe it was Champ Sports. One second. So East Bay, Foot Locker, and Foot Action pushed the release date back on my birthday, July 8th. Everybody know they was supposed to release tomorrow, July 7th. I don't know what's been going on with the pushbacks by a day. I remember they did that for the Air Jordan 1 women's tie-dyes. They pushed the release back on the tie-dyes like 3 days or something like that. They released on the foot sites on a Friday, and on the Nike sneakers app, they released them on a Monday, man. So these right here, man, I don't know what is going on. I do see the resale price of these joints going up a lot more. And if you guys have not checked out this full review over these purple grape Air Jordan 5s, man, make sure you go check it out. I dropped that video last week for you guys. Some dope early visuals on these joints right here, man. When I do get them in hand, I will be doing an on feet for you guys and a how to style video with the how to lace these Air Jordan 5s right here, man. Just stay tuned whenever I get them. Like I said, it's confirmed on Foot Action, East Bay, and Foot Locker that they got pushed back till July 8th. But I have not seen any other of the sites like Shoe Palace, Champ Sports, and all those different sites like that pushing them back, man. So hopefully they releasing some tomorrow and they're releasing some on July 8th, man. We don't know what's going on right now. But like I said, we've been seeing a lot of release pushbacks since this whole quarantine thing started, and of course the looting and protesting did not help at all either. And I wanted to make this video to ask you guys if you want to see a live cop tomorrow. I know it's only gonna be a couple of sites that's releasing them online, but as you guys know, the Nike sneakers app, Foot Locker, Foot Action, and East Bay did push them back a day, man. So you guys let me know how you want to do it down below in the comment section. You guys know I'm here for you guys, and you guys love the live cops, so I'm all ears for you guys suggestions on how we should do the live cop for these Air Jordan 5 alternate grapes, man. I don't know if you guys been seeing the resale prices, but these things are still up in the 300s. We've seen the same thing with the Air Jordan 14 Gem Reds that released last week. The Gem Red 14s dipped a little bit in price, but you can still see them high 280s, and I definitely see these doing the same thing, man. Like I told you guys in the review, it's a very loud color, and this was a perfect release for the summertime. So stay tuned for more updates. We might not even see these shoes getting released anywhere tomorrow. They might push it back to July 8th, man. So just have the post notifications on, and I'm keeping you guys updated along the way with the release date of these joints right here. And while I got everybody here, man, let me know right now in the comment section below, if you are feeling these things, will you be going after these? I got a lot of positive feedback from the review, and the people in the comment section saying they was really wanting to get these things, man. So you guys let me know right now down below, will you be going after these alternate grape Air Jordan 5s? I appreciate everybody pulling up, man. I'm trying to give you guys updates along the way with everything going on in the sneaker community. Make sure you guys like the video right now. The goal for every video is 300 likes. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel already, and check out the full review over these joints right here I dropped last week. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.